Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to do intervals on Strava app. If you want to do interval workouts on Strava, the first thing to know is that Strava doesn't have a built-in structured interval creator. That said, you can still track your intervals. It just takes a little manual setup on your end. Start by hitting the plus button and choose your activity type, running, cycling, whatever you're doing. Make sure your GPS and heart rate monitor, if you have one, are on. Begin with a warm up so you're ready for the interval blocks. Then start recording your session. At this point, you just follow your interval plan manually. Sprint for your work interval, recover for the rest interval, repeat for as many sets as you have. Try to keep each interval consistent. Don't split mid block with auto laps, since consistency matters for accurate data. Strava will still record all your speed, distance, and heart rate, so your session analysis will show exactly what you did. When you finish, stop recording, tag the activity as a workout, and add notes about your interval sets or specifics. That way, even though Strava doesn't automatically create interval workouts, you can still track and analyze your performance accurately. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.